So here is how we approve a report. So I've gone into my dashboard because I am in the admin view, and I can see that we have a report that is pending for approval. I can also go to reports here and it will list them out for me nicely. So I can see my June report. So let's click on this. So I can see the travel expenses. It's got no receipt, and I can see this going down here. It's highlighted this to me. I've got a little error message. This error message is also here so we can go view. It's highlighting and saying the amount, why it exceeds the amount as well. So at any point we can always click on here to have a look a little bit further. Approved as no, this stay was in London. So here we've actually made a comment, but this comment will always stay within this report, and we can document who said it, when they said it, and what was said. And we know this is a little comment down the bottom here. Now if we're happy that all of this is okay and we've double checked that, all we've got to do here is hit approve. Approve. This expense claim has now been approved. So if we go back to our report section, we know that that is approved, and we know now that that's ready for reimbursement. As the submitter, that comment will also appear. So even though that has been approved, you can still see what was said. So even though there is that crossover between the submitter and the approver, this can still be commented on and it can still be tracked.